What is birth control? The birth control shot, or also known as a Depo shot or Depo-Provera, is an injection of hormones that helps prevent pregnancy. It's a safe, simple, and effective birth control method for people who prefer not to take a daily pill.
How does the birth control shot works? The shot works by releasing hormones that prevent pregnancy in three ways. First, it stops the ovaries from releasing egg. Second, it thickens the cervical mucus. Last, it thins the lining of the uterus. And when used correctly and on time, more than 94% effective.
Does the shot protect against STDs or the sexually transmitted diseases? So, ang sagot po natin is no. Bakit nga po ba no? Dahil po ang shot po ay hindi po ginagamit to protect against sa mga kahit anong sakit. Ang shot po kasi is ginagamit po siya. Ang purpose po nito ay para po ma-prevent ang mga kababaihan na mabuntis. But it cannot stop po yung pag-spread ng sexually transmitted diseases. Kung gusto niyo pong protektahan ang inyong mga sarili from any infections like HIV or AIDS, you should use condoms pag kayo po ay nakikipagtalik. However, as Mr. Renz mentioned, ang condoms po ay not 100% effective because pwede pa rin po tayong makakuha ng kahit anong infections or sakit through oral sex or anal sex. How do I make the best shot for me? And hindi lang po para sa akin, kundi para rin po sa inyo. So, ang shot po kasi is an injectable contraceptive and remain effective in a woman's body kapag every 3 months po ay nagpapa-inject po kayo. It is commonly used by women who wish to prevent or delay pregnancy. To ensure its effectiveness, it is important po na malaman ninyo kung kailan po ulit kayo magpapa-inject. And maganda rin po na kayo po ay magpa-consult sa isang healthcare professional for a proper guidance and monitoring.
What are the benefits of the shot? The birth control shots offer several health and lifestyle benefits beyond pretending pregnancy. The birth control shot has many benefits that go beyond pretending pregnancy. It's very effective when used on time and you only need 4 shots a year, so it's really convenient. It's also private, you don't have to take a pill every day or worry about anyone seeing the package. The shot can make your period lighter or even stop it completely, which helps reduce pain and discomfort. It also helps protect against uterine cancer and ectopic pregnancy, keeping your reproductive system healthy. And lastly, it can make you feel more confident and comfortable during intimacy. Overall, the birth control shot is safe, simple, and helpful for women's health. What are the disadvantages of the shot? Like any medicine, the shot may cause side effects and challenges for some users. And also, the birth control shot also has some disadvantages. You need to get it every 3 months, and missing a shot can lower protection. Some people may experience side effects like irregular bleeding, headache, or weight gain. Periods can also stop or become irregular. It may take months for fertility to return after stopping, and it doesn't protect against STDs, so condoms are still important.